promise it'd be a good thing. Another night ruined, I don't even know when we became this way. Now you're acting so different than when back when.
Okay guys, so today I'm going to clean my beauty room. This is in much need of cleaning, which is not really cleaning, but like tidying up. Because I have laundry, clean laundry that I have to fold and put away. And then I have to wipe down my beauty table, all my stuff. You know, it gets dusty, especially when you have a rug. Clean my desk where I do my Bible journaling and studying and stuff. And then I have a bag there. Another TJ Maxx haul, which I will do that at the end, maybe for Thursday or something. So yeah, guys, just basically tidying up, vacuuming, wiping things down, and cleaning up because, you know, things can get messy when you're busy during the week. And I hate having a room that's disorganized. So hope you guys enjoyed today's today's organizing my beauty room. Oh yeah, and I love my background too, guys. Like, I hope you guys like that butterfly background. It's so nice. I even added now, I just added lights to it. So it looks cute at night, especially if I film at night, I can put them on. It will look so adorable. So I'm so happy with it. I still want to add a little bit more butterflies, but when I went to go look for some, they didn't have any more. So hopefully they bring some back. And I got it at the Dollar Tree. So man, it makes me think I should have got more. But anyways, let's just get into the video and now blah blah. nothing cleaner than a beauty room. My desk is clean, wiped down. Only because, guys, when you have a carpet, things get dusty. So it's really nice to dust things down because you do not want dust. That's how you get allergies, all that good stuff. So yeah, clean my beauty room. I gotta put this away, wipe everything down. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. Vacuumed, wipe everything down, like everything to be nice and clean. Nice and clean. Then all these clothes are all folded. I just have to put them away. I wanted to show you guys this, guys. So the one I thought it was so cool. I put like all my Bath and Body Works perfumes and lotions and things. I also put like alcohol, conditioner, moisturizer. Put some of my little pads to put toner, remove eye makeup, dry shampoo. I have a little Nautica makeup bag that my husband got me, little mints, and St. Ives towelettes, Summer Eves. I love putting these, guys, literally in my purse. So when you go out, you want to refresh yourself, especially when it's summer and it's hot. Please keep in mind, in the summer it's hot, keep these little towelettes inside your bag. You can wipe yourself. It is amazing, nice and fresh. And then these I bought too. It's so cute for the bathroom. So yeah, that one I'm going to give to my sister. And then down here, of course, I have my Foxy Bay that I got to do a video for you guys using that, the shampoo and the conditioner, and also using the leave-in cream. And then I have some makeup products, skincare here that I need to try and I haven't done yet. And then remover. So I really thought this was so cute because I had it here in the door, but it was just making noise. And it was just like, I didn't know what to put on there. So came with the idea to put it on the wall. And in this picture is me and my niece. We were coloring. So I did that one and I put it up there. So yeah, guys, look who's here. She saw that I was cleaning her the vacuum and ran upstairs. Hannah, you like being with mama? Cleaning. Oh, look at your face. She went on a long walk too, so this morning I took her. Oh, she's always with like a sad puppy face, guys, I swear, because you know what she really wants to do? She wants to get on there. Anything that's a bed, she wants to get on it like if it's her bed. I swear. But yeah, guys, so this is the finished look. That is a TJ Maxx haul that I'm gonna do about this TJ Maxx, and one item I think is from Walmart, so I can't wait to do a haul on that. So yeah, guys, it is nice and clean now. I got to put those clothes away. It smells good. It's vacuumed. And I'm ready to start filming. Filming makeup. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my socials. Like I always say, God bless you.